we are going to learn how to draw measurements and guidelines around our shape. Okay, so if I click on Sketchup, now you'll notice that my shape's in my top part of my screen. Okay, so to center that, I can either click on this button here, all right, and that zooms to my very shape. Or to move it around the screen, I can click on my hand. Okay, so my hand, I just click the button and drag. Okay, and it drags my shape all around my screen, and I can move it into view just the way I want it with that. But I can also do that as well. Okay, so now back to our measurement tool. So what our measurement tool can also do is draw something called guidelines. Now guidelines are kind of dotted lines that aren't real. They're just there so we can draw along them. You'll see these black lines here, they're real. Okay, so if we uploaded this onto the laser cutter would cut around these. All right, so our measurement lines are to help us draw. Now to get measurement lines around a shape, all you do is you go to this black line, okay, and you want to click somewhere on the inside of the line. So I double click here. Okay, I'm just clicking in the center, and you'll see it's drawn some dotted lines around the outside. Okay, and I double click here, and it's drawn on that line, and that line, and then this line here, and you'll see I've got 4 dotted lines on my shape. So all that means is I can draw along those dotted lines, and I can draw from one dotted line to another, and I can draw all the way to my dotted lines. Okay, and add stuff to my shape. Okay, so you see this, I don't really like this, so I want to change it. Now if you look on your keyboard, you'll see the button command. Hold that down and press the Z. So each time you press that, it'll undo your last action. So undo that, undo that, undo that, undo that. Okay, easy.